If you're looking for the best oil filter for your car, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best oil filters based on performance, quality, durability, price, and real-world reliability. Let's face it, when it comes to oil filters, one size does not fit all. Whether you're a daily commuter, a performance enthusiast, or someone who racks up serious highway miles, the right oil filter can make a big difference in your engine's lifespan. All the products we mention are linked in the description below. Let's get started. Number 1. Frame Extra Guard PH3614 Oil Filter. If you're a daily driver and want something reliable without spending much money, the Frame Extra Guard is a solid choice. This oil filter is designed for everyday use and does an impressive job despite its budget-friendly price. It can filter out contaminants as small as 20 microns, which helps keep your engine oil clean and flowing smoothly. It's lightweight, easy to install, and ideal for regular oil change intervals. If you're frugal but still want dependable protection, this filter gets the job done without breaking the bank. Number 2. K&N HP 1008 Performance Oil Filter. If performance and speed matter to you, the K&N HP 1008 could be your perfect match. This filter is built with high-quality materials and features a 1-inch welded nut on the end, making installation and removal incredibly easy, especially for DIYers. It's designed for high oil flow rates, which makes it popular among performance car owners and even race car drivers. If you want durability, premium construction, and ease of use, this oil filter definitely stands out. Number 3. Wix 51036 Oil Filter. When reliability is your top priority, the Wix 51036 is hard to beat. Known for its excellent filtration design, this oil filter uses synthetic materials and includes a silicone anti-drain back valve, which helps prevent dry starts and improves engine protection. It's built for extended use and is a favorite among drivers who want long-lasting performance and peace of mind. If you're someone who wants the best protection possible for your engine, Wix is a trusted name. Number 4. Bosch 3330 Premium Filtech Oil Filter. If you're a high-mileage driver who spends a lot of time on the road, this Bosch oil filter is worth considering. What makes it unique is its ability to handle high-pressure conditions while maintaining an impressive 99% filtration efficiency. That means fewer contaminants circulating through your engine. It's designed for durability and consistency, making it a great choice for long commutes and frequent driving. Number 5. Mobil 1 M1 110 Extended Performance Oil Filter. If long road trips are your norm, the Mobil 1 M1 110 is built for the long haul. This oil filter uses a synthetic fiber blend that allows for extended oil change intervals without sacrificing protection. With an outstanding 99.6% filtration efficiency, it's one of the best options for maximum engine cleanliness. It's ideal for drivers who want premium performance, fewer oil changes, and long-term engine protection. That's all for today's video. All product links are listed in the description below. We upload new videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.